Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. So this week, somebody has given me a cough. Please stop giving me coughs and colds. So I'm going to look to do something very quick, simple and easy. Oh, I've left that cupboard open. So I'm going to do another six ingredient slow cooker recipe from Nathan Anthony's Board of Lunch book. And yes, I know the last one, it was okay, but it seemed to be missing something last time, so hopefully this one looks like it should be okay. Right, let's get started, but first let's have a cup of tea and we'll start. Let's begin. You shall need the recipe book, which tells you all the things that you need to do. Right, so you're going to need frankfurter sausages. The recipe calls for 8, but I've only got 10. And to be honest, these kind of look a bit smallish. So yeah, you need 2 tablespoons of what the recipe calls yellow mustard, which I'm assuming is the American style mustard, which has got no flavour at all. It calls for passata, 400 grams. So this one was the nearest one I could get to 400 grams. The rest seem to be about 500 grams in there. Hopefully this will give it a bit nice flavour. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. 2 to 3 tablespoons of mild curry powder. And then salt and pepper, which actually makes it 8 ingredients, but he doesn't include that as that. Right, so the recipe calls for add. Yeah, so the recipe is just add all the ingredients. Ugh, sloppy noises. 1, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon. Oh, there's a final ingredient of 50 millilitres of boiling water. Right, I have added 50 millilitres of water to my tomato bottle, just so I can get the remaining bits out of there. Now I need salt. Doesn't say how much, so I'm just going to add that much. Pepper. I don't know, I'm just going to guess that much. Right, it doesn't actually say to stir anything in, but going to anyway. Oh, it should be mixed in, so let's just make sure these sausages or these frankfurters are covered. Right, cover and put on for 8 hours. So we have been going about 3 hours so far. All I'm smelling so far is the curry sauce. But the sauce does seem to be thickening, which I suppose was what I was most worried about. So let's just give this a good old... Oh, let's knock my slow cooker off of where I've tried to leave it. I need another hand, but I'm just going to put the lid back on and yeah. Right, so I have actually split this into 3 because I thought it was a bit small. But yes, I actually found about an hour, well, about 2 hours ago, some of my sausages were splitting, and as I was folding it over, they were just snapping in half. So I'm going to have this with some chips. My chips are a bit fatty, but there you go. Right, here we go. Yes, so the curry flavour is there. A bit tomatoey. This does say you can use other sausages with it. Frankfurter. These just they just feel like those tinned hot dogs. Just so yeah, that's actually come out quite nice. So I think I'll definitely, if I ever do that again, I'll just use some other sausages. So those frankfurters are, oh, they're all right. It's just that they're like hot dog sausages. Oh well, give it a go yourself, and let me know how you get on. And right, goodbye.